Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Welcome back to another video tutorial on PostgreSQL. In this session, we will concentrate on two different scenarios. First, we will apply case conditional expression to our queries. Second, we will concatenate multiple columns by comma. Let's start the session. In this section, we are going to focus on PostgreSQL case conditional expression. This expression is same as if-else statement in other programming languages. Since case is an expression, we can use it in any places where an expression can be used, like select, where, group by, and having clause. We can use case expression in two different ways. First one is general form. In this syntax, each condition is a Boolean expression that returns either true or false. When a condition evaluates to false, the case expression evaluates the next condition from the top to bottom until it finds a condition that evaluates to true. If a condition evaluates to true, the case expression returns the corresponding result that follows the condition. In case all conditions evaluate to false, the case expression returns the result that follows in the else statement. If we omit the else clause, the case expression returns null. Now consider the other case. This is known as simple form. For this, the case first evaluates the expression and compares the result with each value in when clause sequentially until it finds the match. Once the result of the expression equals to a value in a when clause, the case returns the corresponding result in the then clause. If case doesn't find any matches, it returns the else result that follows the else, or null value if the else is not available. Now we will go to pgadmin and work with examples of case expression. We are starting with general form. We have a film table that contains film detail. Suppose we want to label the films by their length. If the length is less than 50 minutes, the film will be labeled by short. If the length is greater than 50 minutes and less than 120 minutes, it will be labeled by medium. And in case of the length greater than 120 minutes, the film will be considered as long. To apply this logic, we can use case expression in the select statement. We will set condition using when clause and the result will be in the then clause. Let's execute these. The length of the movie Cembe Italian is 117 minutes. It was processed by the second logic and returned the level medium. Similarly, for the length 49, our logic returned short. Now we will move to simple form. The case expression will consider the values of rating column. If it contains G, the logic will return general audiences. Similar to this, for PG, it will return parental guidance suggested. We can use as many as when clauses to complete setting the entire logic. Let's execute these. For the rating NC-17, the case statement returned adults only. Similar to this, for R, it returned restricted. With this, we have finished our exploration on case expression.